Drivers, so much has happened since my last video. It's crazy. So much going on, lots of updates, lots of information, but I want to start with what's right here behind me. So courtesy of my daughters, they did the most epic race place mural. I just want to show it to you guys real quick. Check that out, you guys. Absolutely incredible. If you didn't know it was a painting, you would swear that was a huge decal on the wall. But they just absolutely knocked it out of the park. Okay, let's get right to this, you guys. I'm gonna flip the camera around, show you all the new stuff. I'm gonna try to do this quick. Don't wanna make it a long video, but here we go, check this out. Heading towards the off-road side of the building. This has probably been the funnest part for me so far. Check out the jumps. What do you guys think about that? Looking super, super good. So you can see the wall going along the back wall all the way around the off-road section of the building. Off-road driver stand here. Here's another jump. And another jump. So much still to do. But again, we're really, really proud of the progress. But you guys, check out this tabletop. Holy crap. How amazing is that? Tell me you're not excited about that. Come on. Tell me you're not excited. Okay, couple of big announcements. So today is January the 11th. So we've still got some stuff to finish here, but we are ready to announce the opening day. Okay, so January 23rd. This is gonna be kind of a soft opening. We still got bugs and kinks to work out, but January 23rd, we're gonna open, we're gonna post the regular business hours on the website. So check us out, raceplacerc.com. Check out the hours, look at the days we're open, message us with questions, comment with your questions. Let us know what you want to know about it. But January 23rd, soft opening for test and tune time for your cars. February 1st is the first race weekend, okay? Again, just testing this place out. So February 1st and pretty much the whole month of February, we're gonna be working out the kinks, getting this place squared away with hopes for a grand opening, big grand opening March the 1st. So mark your calendars, get your cars ready, check out the website. Again, raceplacerc.com. That's where you're going to find the rules. That's where you're going to see the hours and all of that. Also, check out the pricing for memberships. Memberships go on sale 23rd, okay? So everything starts on February 1st, so your next payment after would be then in March. So trying to give a little boost and benefit to those who sign up early. So again, comment, let us know if you have questions. Again, guys, we are pumped, getting ready. We're so close. So again, thank you for your support. Thank you for following this process along. It's been crazy. Okay, but again, thanks for your time. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.